Random pack opening number 3. But this time, we got 2 packs. Okay, let's get started. Oops. We have another rare. An epic. Oh, that sucks. Okay, we are a rare, epic. Bite. I got 2 epics. But that helps a lot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna back to it. Let's go. Okay, hold up. Epic. Epic. Yeah, we don't like you. No one likes you. Or this is a good card. But then we gotta look up. What do we gotta look up? Defender. There. Nope, wrong one. It's not supposed to be in here. Oops. Cult Master. There. Okay, this is Random Pack Opening Part 3, and bye!